Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Hermes unboxing for you guys, so stay tuned. As you can see, this is a very small box. Let's open it and see what I got. And here we have the envelope with the receipt. Pretty bow. Ta-da! This is a Bastia change purse and it is in Epsom leather, and the color is this new color that Hermes came up with, and it's called Mauve Pale, and I absolutely love this color. It's like this very light, cool toned purplish pink and very light saturation. So let's take it out of its box. It's very light. This is actually my first ever Bastia, and I was expecting it to be a bit more heavy, but as we all know, Epsom leather is the lightest leather, so I guess I shouldn't be surprised that it's super lightweight. Here's the profile and the back. It's a simple piece, not much to it, but when I first saw this color, I saw a belt and bracelets. I absolutely fell in love with this color, and I thought to myself, I would love to have anything in this color. And one day I was just browsing online and I saw this Bastia pop up on the website, and I told myself I have to get it just for this color, and I just jumped on it quickly before it sold out. And I actually posted on my YouTube shorts and I let everybody know because they had restocked on the website, and they had these in multiple different fun colors, including this rose pop color, which is also new. So I'm hoping that one of you guys saw this short and was able to jump online quickly and get it. But yeah, this is what I got, and let's open it. So as you can see here, it has silver hardware, and it says Hermes Paris, made in France on the inside, and hopefully you can see it. A simple SLG from Hermes, and I've never actually purchased one before, but this is going to be my first Bastia, and I'm excited to see if this piece is useful, if I can get a lot of wear out of it. It's a coin purse and you can carry your change, but because this one is such a light color, I don't really know if I would be comfortable with it getting dirty, so I'm not sure I want to put change in it. It's just too light of a color and too pretty to mess up. So guys, let me know, what do you think about this color? I'm not sure that this camera is picking it up correctly. I think it looks lighter than it is in person. Let me try and shoot it also in different lighting environments and see if the color pops a bit better for you. Okay, so guys, now I want to show you things that can fit in this Bastia coin purse, and let me just start by showing you the measurements. And this is in inches and in centimeters. So here guys, I wanted to compare the size of the Bastia coin purse to the wallet and a card holder that I have, just for your reference. This is a Louis Vuitton Zippy wallet, and if we put them close to each other, you see this is the size difference. And if we compare the card holder to the Bastia, it's about the same height, a little bit taller, and it's shorter and I would say wider in the profile because of this top part. So this gives you the size reference. And another size comparison that I wanted to show you guys is comparing the Bastia with the Louis Vuitton round coin purse. As you can see, they're very similar in size to each other. Obvious difference is that Bastia is square and this is round. But I think in terms of the use of this as a coin purse, it would hold similar amount of coins. So I hope this size comparison is useful to you guys. And as far as what can fit in this Bastia coin purse, besides coins, of course, or cash, for me personally, I think if I wanted to use it as a coin purse, then I would go for a darker color. Let me show you guys something that can fit in this Bastia coin purse. If you'd like, you can keep your hair accessories, like these hair clips, a hair tie, and a bobby pin. It can definitely fit more than this. My measuring tape, let's test it out. As you can see, it fits. So if I wanted to bring this measuring tape with me for some reason, it fits here. Now let's try my AirPods. As you can see, the AirPods fit. It just makes it a little bit bulky and you can kind of see the stretching on the leather. But they do fit. And now let's try regular wired earphones. And as you can see, they fit. Next item that can fit is my house key. And you can use it to carry your makeup essentials like perfume samples. And I have this lip liner. Let's see if that fits. It's kind of like a sample size, so it should fit. And then perfumes. And one more way of using it that came to my mind is travel case for jewelry. Let's say I would want to bring this necklace with me, then I would probably wrap it in something like this, just so that the stones don't get scratched, and put it in there like that, and I can stack more than just one piece. I'm sure a pair of earrings would fit. You can even use small plastic bags to protect your jewelry pieces. Now, another thing that I was curious to see if it fits is this Chanel mirror. It fits, but it won't close properly, so I'm not gonna attempt because I don't want to stretch it out. So no to this. And I also wanted to show you guys that it will not fit credit cards. Credit card would be too tall for it to close properly. And also this way as well, it wouldn't fit as it's not wide enough. So no to credit cards. Another idea I had for using this is to store tissues. Instead of bringing your tissues with you in this plastic bag that it comes in, it's noisy and not as pretty to look at. So maybe take out all your tissues and instead place it in the Bastia, fold it a little bit, and use it for that. So these are just a couple things that I thought of that this Bastia coin purse can be used for, but I'm sure there's more things that can fit and more things that you can use this for. And I also wanted to compare Bastia in size with the Louis Vuitton mini pochette and show you whether it fits inside. And as you can see, it fits inside perfectly. I can now close the mini pochette. So I hope this is helpful to you guys, this size comparison, and showing you some ideas of what can fit. I really like the way when you open it and you can just slide things out and they get caught by this part and they're like conveniently on display, so you don't have to dig for your items here. You just let them slide here and then you pick what you want. I think that's a pretty convenient feature. And I love how this is one piece of leather and it's just kind of folded like origami. I think that's very clever and cool design by Hermes. I've been wanting to try out this Bastia coin purse for a while now, but they never became available online in a color that I would really want. I was kind of waiting for this opportunity to see the color that I would fall in love with, and when it finally happened, I just clicked the buy it button so fast, even though I'm trying to do a low buy year in 2023, and this is my first official purchase of 2023. I am doing more unboxings on this channel, but some of these purchases I made in late December, kind of right before the new year. So technically, even though they're going to be new unboxings, but they were purchased in 2022. This was my first official purchase of 2023, and we'll see how it goes from here. I'm really trying to have this more mindful mindset when it comes to shopping, and I'm really hoping that I can stick to a low buy year. It would be so cool to try and do a no buy year, but I just knew I wouldn't be able to commit to that. That's why I said, let me try a low buy year first and we'll see how it goes. But this little guy right here definitely made me commit my first purchase of 2023. I wanted to discuss pros and cons with you guys real quick. I think the major pro of this item is the fact that it can be used for multiple different things. As we discussed before, it can be used as a coin purse, which is its main purpose, but also you can use this as a little catch-all. Another pro is the fact that it is at an affordable price point to try out. If you're interested in any particular Hermes color or leather, you can always find Bastia coin purse and test it out and see whether this color and whether this leather is really for you. And as we know, Hermes leather goods are of very high quality, so I would add this to pros of this item as well. You know, it will last you a really long time. It will be quality product for many years to enjoy. Now, as far as cons go, one major con is the limit of the size and the fact that it does not fit credit cards or business cards even, so you are kind of limited to either storing cash and coins or very small items. Another con for me versus the round coin purse, the round coin purse does not have corners, right? So I think it kind of helps it stay more pristine for longer. The fact that this has four very sharp corners, I think it's gonna make this item wear out faster. And you will probably see wear to these corners at some point of you carrying this in your bag regularly. Some people prefer Epsom leather and some people don't really like it as much, so I guess depending on your preference, it can be either a pro or a con. Epsom leather is not my favorite personally, so I guess now looking at it more closely, it's starting to kind of hit me that this is not my preferred leather and I'm not 100% thrilled with it. Another con, again, for this particular one is how light this color is, and it really does make me worried a lot about the potential wear and tear of this item. I've seen a lot of these on resale sites in lighter colors, and the wear on them seems very drastic, and it's usually the corners, the folds, and you can kind of see an imprint of the snap on the outside here where your finger touches it in order to close. and also on the back you will see an imprint of the snap eventually. So it being such a light color, it seems a bit impractical to me at this moment. And thinking about it a little bit more, the primary purpose of this item is to hold your coins. And I think the design represents this primary purpose perfectly. And it was designed to hold your coins, and that's why when you open this, your coins slide out here. This is kind of like a little tray, and you can see all your coins and you can pick whichever ones you want, which makes it super convenient for that particular purpose. And it being in this extremely light color, in my opinion, kind of defeats the purpose, because the inside will get so dirty from the coins. And knowing myself, I will absolutely hate that when that happens, when it gets super dark and dirty here. I think it will bother me a lot. So in my opinion, it kind of is silly that it is such a light color, but then the primary purpose of this is to keep coins and cash inside. And yes, as I've shown you guys, you can put a lot of different things, but I think because it was designed for the coins and it works so great for that purpose, I think that this light color is a definite con in this instance. Now, if you get it in a darker color, I think then it's great. So with all that said and everything I've shown you in this video, please guys let me know down in the comments below, what do you think about Bastia in this color and leather? Do you think I should keep it and use it and not be afraid of wear and tear? Or do you think I should return it and maybe wait for a darker color that I really like, and maybe a different type of leather that I also like more than Epsom? I'm really curious about your opinion and what you have to say about this. I'm torn at the moment whether I should keep it or return it, and Epsom not being my favorite leather is a big part of that, but also how light this color turned out to be is a huge concern for me. So yeah, let's discuss in the comments. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please give it a like if you enjoyed this, if you found this video useful in any way or just entertaining, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. I set a goal for myself of reaching 1,000 subscribers in 2023, and I would really appreciate it if you guys help me reach this goal. And I will see you in my next videos. Bye bye.